So hello all, my name is Sahil and in this video we learn about Git and GitHub. So it is a beginner friendly and here we learn from scratch to a production level. It means ki you can use Git and GitHub. How you can use Git and GitHub for you as a remote work, and you just publish your code, and you can also do a version control on your product basically in your code. So how we can do locally or remotely with the help of Git and GitHub. Okay, so why we use Git and GitHub? Because Git is a local version control of your code. For basically if you have a version 1 of your software and you do some changes in the code, and you just click and you just save it is as a version 2, and these are very difficult when you don't use Git and GitHub, because you just copy all the codes in second files, and you can changes on the second files. After changing, if it work then good, not work then you again implement another techniques. So this is how very lengthy. Then after using the Git, you use without copying the files, just he change, you can just overview or you just record the changes in another file. For example, if you have a one .py file, hello.py, and you write some hello print hello world in first version, but if you are using a Git and you use the same file and you write one more line, hello world, and print python. So in your version first, the only show the hello world, and in version 2 it also show the hello world with the and as well as python. So it is very easy. Okay, so today's video will learn section 1, that is a download install, how we install Git on Windows. Basically we focus on Windows, and if you download the same method in Mac, but we have used some different commands. Okay, then we have set up an account. For example, we have set a global name, global emails, and we have just create our local repository. So we have save our changes on the this local repository, and stag means stage and commit. If you change some files, how and why we change, so you write some comments on that. And after that we have remotely x publish our code as a version 1 version 2. And after that we have also download some another repository from the GitHub, which is remotely available, just help of going. And how we can use, if I want to merge, if the version 2 is perfectly work and I don't want to both branches, so what we have to do, we just merge version 1 and version 2, and after that we have moved forward. Okay, so at that time we use a merge. And if you have some conflicted with the merge, then how we can handle, so we see there. And after that we have a list of commits, how many changes are in my Git or in my versions. And if some changes are happen but I don't want these changes, I want my previous version, so what we have to do, that changes undo. And after that we have to use with the help of branches. Branches means we create a master, and after that we have create another remote library, remote location. So we have do some experiment with that, and without changing our original code. Okay, so that is branch, and we have create a branch, switch branch, push branch, merge and delete. Okay, so just I show you some practically, then we forward to implementation work. Okay,